Well, the light snow arrived like we expected it to, but not a lot of accumulation, but still just enough over the roads to make them a little slick.
Dusting.
A dusting.
Yeah, we're going to get more dusting tonight. Then things will clear off, and another storm will be moving in, giving us another opportunity for some snow, but nothing really heavy. But the warm temperatures are still on course for this coming week, and we'll tell you more about that. We'll tell you more about that in a little bit. Let's go out the airport right now and see what's going on. We still have a little light snow falling, 12 degrees. That's our high for the day. The overnight low, 14 below. Record high, well, in 1937, it got up to 40 degrees that day, but in 1952, down to 56 below. Sunrise this morning was at 10:38, and the sun set this afternoon at 3:28, which gives us 4 hours, 43 minutes of daylight. That's a gain of another 5 minutes from yesterday. Here's our photograph for tonight. This is from Greg Zimmerman. We'll call this an adventurous ermine. As you can see here, a little guy eating up pretty good on that food that Greg left out for him there. And if you have a photograph to share, by all means, send it to Mike Schultz at ktvf11.com. Here's our satellite picture, and you see one system exiting the state and another system right on its heels. This is the one that gave us the snow today. Here comes the next system. That'll be moving in later on tonight into tomorrow, and then we'll see some more snow developing by tomorrow night, it looks like, but nothing really heavy because it's coming in just not quite the right direction. Elsewhere across the area on our radars, you can see we're looking at most of the snow is moving out of the picture now, so we're not looking at a whole lot of more accumulation for the rest of the night, but still a few flakes here and there. What's going on across the rest of the state? Little snow around the Juneau area. Temperature is cooling off there. 25 degrees at Kodiak, 36 at Kodiak, 25 at Anchorage, and a little snow falling around the Nome area. 15 below at Barrow, pretty chilly there, and 0 degrees at Fort Yukon. Lower 48 weather tonight. Once again, things are really moving along pretty good in the Central Plains. Things have cleared up over the western side of the states for right now. That may change, though. This big storm system here really shows up good on the satellite and radar. We'll show you that in just a little bit. As you can see, the outlook for Friday is calling for a real mix of rain, ice, and snow all the way back across the western side of the country. And it's all because of this storm system here moving up rapidly toward the Great Lakes, and then a lot of cold air moving in behind that system. We talked about the jet stream yesterday. Once again this weekend, the cold air will be diving way down to the south, all the way down to southern sections of Arizona, New Mexico, even on the west coast. So some wild weather expected there. Well, back to Alaska for tomorrow. It looks like on the northern sections, partly cloudy skies for Barrow. A couple inches of snow expected in Nome, and mostly cloudy skies at Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, we'll be looking at mostly cloudy skies with more clouds moving in throughout the day and some snow to possibly developing by evening. Over the southeastern sections, mostly cloudy with a chance of snow across the region, maybe mixing with a little rain in the Ketchikan area. To the southwest, looks like windy with snow in Cold Bay and Kodiak, and snow is likely for Bethel. Over the south central regions, well, looks like areas of snow at Anchorage and Homer, and a couple inches of snow expected in the Valdez area. Once again, time for our kids' weather, and this week we're talking with the kids from North Pole Elementary School. Tonight, a young man has a question for me. Okay.
Hi, my name is Shane Monson, and I'm in Mrs. Vansickle's 3rd grade class. Here's my question for the weatherman. What is the hottest temperature ever measured in the whole world?
Well, Shane, Death Valley, California gets the award for that. 134 degrees, July 10th in 1913. So, again, thank you for that question. And tomorrow night, the teacher will be sharing a unique weather fact with us. It is a Thursday night, which means it's time for our road conditions. As you can see here on the Stetson Elliott Highway, icy patches and areas of snow, glazed roads and some areas of snow on the Richardson Highway, and the Parks Highway reduced visibilities again because of some snow. And rain is expected Sunday near Anchorage. If you're heading down that way, keep that in mind. The roads will be very, very slick. Here's your forecast for the remainder of the night. 7 degrees below zero. That is cold with light snow slowly ending. Tomorrow's forecast, 8 degrees above. More clouds with snow possible later on. And that mild forecast for the next 5 days. You can see here, temperatures once again very warm. 31 degrees on Tuesday, with 30 degrees on Monday, which means there's a possibility we could see some mixed rain and snow. For one thing is for sure, we're going to see roads get really nasty, so be prepared and get ready for next week because it will be kind of slick. We'll keep you advised on that with more information on tomorrow's update.
Okay, thank you. And I still can't believe that in January of all months to get 30 degrees above. That's crazy.
I'm
Way
excited.
above.
Yeah.